Welcome back. Open Firearm League Match is going to be all 22s and a whole lot of steals, and this requires the speed, accuracy, and fast action. So this time we're going to have 5 hanging steals and we're going to have 6 steel plates. So if you're shooting semi-automatic, you have to double tap 4 hanging steals, but not the last small one. And then you have to hit 6 plates, and you have to make the gun safe, reset the steals, and then repeat the whole thing again. And on this day, for me to demonstrate, I really sucked at shooting, so ignore my shooting. I just want you to see how this is done. Rifle loaded, safety on, stand by. Hit. Make it out. Action open. Reload. Okay, making it out, show clear, press hammer down. Now if you're shooting a bolt action or lever action like me, which I don't recommend, you only have to hit 1 time for all the steals, make the gun safe, reset it, and then repeat it again. Again, my shooting sucked, but please see my demonstration. Stand by, 6.
Get in your shoulder, remember? You see your target?
Action open.
I want you to shoot
Reset.
the lower left target. The one with the big number. See that? That's where I want you to shoot now. Zoom in on it. The lower left target. So that's where I want you to shoot. Load. Here's your middle. Change your angle.
Okay, make it out, action open, and you're done.
Just do this. See how I'm sitting?
The summertime already kicked in, so our competition starts at 5 p.m. And if this is your first time to our range, make sure you come about 30 minutes early so I could go through range rules with you. But even for the rest of you guys should really come a bit early and practice. And I will have the sign up link in the description, so sign up. And it will also be on Isaac Wharton's calendar. And it's always 10 participants, and it's first come, first serve.